Welcome back, guys, to another one. I'm the Puppy Addict, and yeah. So first of all, let's go in. We're going to be focusing on one main currency pair, and we're going to try to be doing this more often, just to focus on one pair like a day, and look at potential trading opportunities. So firstly, let's just go through most of our pairs and see what's good and what's where we can exploit the stuff. So as you can see, the Euro USD is actually getting some bearish support at the moment. There's a big bearish candle. As we can see, there's big bearish movements when the news came out yesterday about Trump meeting with the Chinese people to negotiate trade agreements between the US-China thing. So as you can see, once the news came out, the price of Euro USD came down. The Euro found some support, moved up, and now we can see that the Euro is starting to move down again. Now, this is a good opportunity for a lot of people to get into sell opportunities, especially since there is going to be another meeting today for the US-China negotiations, trade negotiations. So I'm not going to be actually looking to get into this trade because I have a trade opened already. And even the USD JPY, once we see, as you can see now, USD JPY is actually moving down. But if you look at it into the daily chart, it's actually reaching a area of resistance. Okay, not resistance, a trend line. If we draw a trend line from this top area all the way down, let's put it right because it doesn't even look proper. So as you can see, USD JPY just broke this trend line, and what we're going to be looking for is the USD to be stronger at this moment. So the USD can most probably push above, so it can push more, because we're going to be looking for a retracement, and then we're going to looking for opportunities to get into this trade and push USD JPY higher. But other than that, let's go into Euro JPY. Euro JPY, we actually called out this trade when I was trying to make a video yesterday, and for some reason the camera, I don't know, lost the footage, or the SD card, something happened. So we saw this that Euro JPY is in this area right over here, and we said once it breaks above this, it's going to push higher. And as you can see, it pushed all the way from here up here. That's about $6 to $8 in profit. Now let's go to USD Chef. We don't trade USD Chef, so I'm not going to even bother looking at it. USD CAD. We actually want to see some buying momentum on USD CAD, which, because of the negotiations with Trump and the Chinese government. But the CAD is actually way stronger at this moment. As you can see, this big push upwards. We're going to be looking for the USD CAD to actually push down, to actually retrace the area that it pushed. Next, we're going to be looking at Euro GBP. As you can see, massively bad news came out for the GBP. The Euro. Or massively good news came out for the GBP, because it pushed the price all the way from about 90111 to actually sitting now at 88406. That's approximately, it pushed down about $10, I would say. And that's amazing, because if you got into that trade there, you've been just full of it. And as you can see here, it's definitely that the GBP did. I think it's just the Euro that did bad, and the USD did good, because as you can see, the price of GBP went high with the GBP USD. It actually did almost the same as what happened in the Euro GBP. But let's look at the trade that we're in actually at the moment. So we're in gold. Now, I took this trade on gold a few days ago. I took it when gold was down here, and I said, gold can go down because of the Fibonacci retracements, and After a while, I just scrapped that idea. I actually have a better trading opportunity, a better reason for making this trade. So as you can see, after I took this trade right over here, the trade actually developed much better. So as you can see, a big movement up. It comes down, it retraces a bit. It starts to move up again. As you can see, there's a bit of a double top situation happening right around these parts. And then right over here, I called out that gold was going to fall in the price, and gold literally fell in price. It fell almost $10 to $12, and I actually didn't get into the opportunity to take it over here because I had another trade open right over here, and I approximately made about $8 in profit. So right over here, gold fell, and now we're seeing gold settling right around this part here. Now I'm expecting gold to actually fall further down. My reason for me expecting gold to fall further down, is that if we look at the 1-day chart, the daily chart, gold has a lot of momentum to fall further down. As you can see right over here, there's a lot of momentum for gold to fall further down. And if we look onto previous days, when gold had bad news coming down, it pushed gold down. We had a green candle push up, and it ended up coming down to a smaller part, and gold eventually pushed further down. But my other reason for still keeping my position of sell on gold is that today there is going to be more negotiations with Trump and the Chinese government. So he already said that they are already getting progress. Now this was the main reason why gold prices fell, is because of the progress between the US and China for the negotiations. And I'm looking for the exact same result today. So I'm looking for gold to actually fall further past this region here. I'm looking for it to fall past this, what's this? The 14902 region. And I have my trade taken right over here, and we're so far in about minus $11 because of swap fees. And yeah, we're going to be looking to get into this trade. Actually, not looking to get into this trade, looking to make some good profit with this trade today. Because I kind of want to close out this trade today, because I don't want any trades to be open throughout the weekend. You know what I'm saying? I don't like having trades open like that. So let's look at crude oil, because crude oil spiked yesterday. Now you might be thinking, why did crude oil spike yesterday? So we actually received news that a truck or something was blown up that was carrying oil. So the prices of oil literally spiked up after that news occurred. And I think it was carried out by the Syrians. Yeah, because they're attacking things in Europe and stuff. So there's a lot of movement in the markets for a lot of stuff. And let's look at Euro AUD. This is a different kind of movement. As you can see, there's like a form of double top at the top of here. Top. And then we have a movement right over here. Now what you should be looking for is selling opportunities in the Euro AUD section. Right over here, we pull this down. So we should be looking to take profits around this part where there's a lot of resistance. Take profit around here, and that's going to be about $3 to $4 in profit. And let us look at AUD. There's nothing much we can see of here. Yeah, there's nothing much that we can see in a lot of these pairs. We're just going to keep looking at the Euro USD, and if we see Euro USD pushing further down, which means USD is doing good, and then we're going to be wanting the price of Euro JPY to push higher. Therefore, gold will push lower, and our take profit will be closer to being hit. But right now, we're just going to be looking at Euro USD and, just waiting for things to happen. So I'll see you guys in the next run. Keep chasing pips, and peace out.